going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're back on Toxic Yeet's account playing some more Beast Worm Simulator Noob. So, let's get into the video. Okay, we're in. Let's go claim the hive. Right over here. Okay, so we have a brave bee and a stubborn bee. Now, let's look at the leaderboard. Oh, and maybe another Beast Worm Simulator video might be coming out later on, too. So, stay tuned for that. And we're gonna make, like, 100 video. When I hit 100 videos, I'm gonna make, like, a special video. So, I hope you're looking forward to that. We must be able to get... Oh, we don't have 5 bees. Just gotta start grinding up pollen. I'll be back when I have enough for a new egg. Wait, let's actually very quick just check the egg. Costs 2,500. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. I just created finished a black bear quest. Later on today, there might be a Minecraft episode 5 coming out. I hope you guys will enjoy that. It might be coming out. So, okay, we need that silver egg that he's gonna give us. 500 pollen. Let's get a new quest. Okay. Red request. Okay. Need to get back to Toxic Yeet. Okay, emptied. 999 honey. I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. Whoa. Okay, guys, we're gonna go make our pollen or our honey, and then we have enough to get that new egg. So, all I need to do, come right over here. Boom, it's done. As long as it stops lagging. Okay. Okay, right over to the egg. Open shop, buy 1 basic egg. Let's come right over to Toxic Yeets. Basic egg goes right there. Ooh, whoa, that's actually good. I got a honeybee from a basic egg. That's pretty good. And he'll produce honey tokens, I think. Gonna be so much easier for me now. Let's get back over to the red pollen fields, because that's where I need to collect. And they're pretty fast. Okay. I'll be back when this red quest is done. I accidentally stopped the recording. That's fun. So I'm gonna film me doing the very last part of the grinding. So this is what happens. Well, I'm doing it right now, so. Okay, we're almost full. Okay, red request is ready. Let's get heading over to Black Bear. Okay, if you're lucky, you might run across a strawberry while gathering in the field with mostly red flowers. If you see leaves popping out of the flowers, you should collect pollen near that area. That's where you're most likely to find strawberries and other treats. Okay, here's a reward to hold you over. 2 more quests and the silver egg is yours. Okay, let's get the quest and then let's come right back over to the hive. Make honey. Gonna be pretty fast because now I have 3 bees. Okay, I need a new tool, which is what I'm gonna go look at. I think there's one for like 1,500. So, open shop. 2,200. You know what, guys? Just to speed this up, I'm gonna go join the group so I can use the dispenser. Okay, guys, I just joined the group. While it's loading, I'll just pause the video so it just takes a little bit less. Okay, so obviously first, let's go claim the hive. And let's go get the pollen that we just joined the group for. Right over here. Oh yeah, I forgot there's jelly beans here. That'll actually quite have helped a lot. A bean bug must have left these here. 600 honey. Okay, that's gonna help a lot. And I have haste, thank God. I'll be right back, guys. Comment down below if I make a mistake, but I think it costs 2,200. Okay. Let's make this and get over there. Woo! 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 Okay, we've arrived at the shop. Let's go walk right in. Open shop, come right over. Yep, clippers. Got the clippers. I can't jump over it. I don't have my boots. Oh yeah, this helps a lot. This is gonna work a lot. Got 311 more honey, that's good. And also, guys, I am going to go to the shop and get a new backpack today. So, okay, there's that. We need a little bit more so I can go over and get a new backpack. And that should be good. Let's get right over here to Toxic Yeets. Dun 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 dun. There's that. Let's go get the backpack and then I'll end the video right there. You know what? Before, actually, yeah. No, we can't get that yet. Okay. Hello, noob bear. Boom. I bought it. Okay, now I have the jar. So, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I messed up the exit a little bit. The outro. So, yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Toxic out. Ooh.